I use Grok AI on this particular new app and it's completely free. No subscription fee, no card, nothing. Just use the app and generate unlimited videos. Something like what you are going.
You think life owes you something, Jake? You have failed every test, skipped classes, and now this stunt. You never asked why.
Can you see the lip sync? Did you see the image quality and the video quality? It's a new app and it's completely free. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can use this free app to access Grok AI for free to generate your cinematic videos and images, even your 3D animation. Meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Kuyik. And here I share videos on AI video animations, YouTube growth strategy to grow, build, and monetize and stay monetized, sharing strategies and mistakes to avoid. So if this sounds like something you enjoy, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. Let's start and then type in this app. Type in the name of this app. This is where we are going to use our Grok AI from. Genv AI video generator. Okay, so I already have it installed in my phone. So once you click and install, go ahead and open it. Once you open it up, it's going to show the interface that carries all their templates, samples of their videos and all of that. So you're going to click on this. So it's going to ask you this, all of this. So you read it and grant consent. Okay, then once you're done, you're going to continue from here. Beautiful. So we are already in the app. Okay, go ahead and allow Genv to send you notifications. Cancel it. Beautiful. So now we are in the interface. Okay, now you can see it doesn't require us to put in our card details, and you can see how lovely the interface is. Create stunning videos with AI in seconds. Okay, so if you look at it, you're going to see AI Grok. Look at it. Beautiful. You can see, and you can select other models. You have other models like Google View 3, Google View 3.1, Google View 3.1 light and fast. We have all the models. So what we are going to use is the Grok. We have the Grok model here. So you see, and we have 6 seconds. So this 6 seconds is free, and you can change it to any dimension of your choice. So let's use this 480p. Okay, because of the free version we are using. Okay, you can still try 720p HD. Okay, so go ahead and close it. Once you are done setting it up, go ahead and close it up. So you have X, you have 6 seconds, you have Grok AI here, we have 6 seconds, and then you see we have video generation, we have image generation. Okay, so what we need to create, let's create our video generation so that you can see the quality of this app. And like you can see, it's not requiring me to put in any card details. So this is very free. So go ahead and let's head over to our GPT to get our prompt, just to show you the sample, how it looks like. So I'm going to create this for us to see the quality. So we have our scene 1. So I already generated this prompt. This is the sample prompt I want to use. Okay, we are going to copy this master prompt as usual. I want to show you something, so you can use this to start creating for free. Then this is the image prompt. Okay, for our scene 1 image prompt. Let's hit here, image prompt, then go back, paste our animation prompt, then go back, copy our dialogue, paste it here, then let's copy the sound effects. This is very important. Paste it here. So let's copy everything onto our free AI tool to generate. So this is the pattern you're going to use to generate all your videos. Okay, I'm just showing you that this is very possible. Okay, so go ahead and try it out. Come back and drop me feedback. Let's know if this works, because I know it works. Okay, so this is another method you can use Grok AI for free. This one doesn't require any payment, no card payment at all. So literally you can use here to add your image. If you want to upload, if you have a reference character, image reference character 1, you can upload it. If you have character 2, You can upload it. You have character 3. You can upload it. This is beautiful. This is like Grok AI. This is beautiful, guys. So let's paste all our prompts, okay? Let's paste all our prompts and then go ahead and create provider data consent. So we use, of course, we use this third party to generate video based on your input. Your prompt text and any uploaded images will be transmitted to this AI provider for processing. Do you agree to share this data for AI generation? Yes. So guys, let's wait and see the magic. And you can see your video is being created. The system is operating at full capacity. It doesn't take time. So you're going to see the output, the final output of this. So when you are done with the scene 1, you head back to your ChatGPT or where you're getting your prompt from, copy your master prompt, image prompt scene 1, animation prompt for scene 1, the dialogue involved, and the sound, so that everything can come out perfectly well. So you're going to see the final output. 1, 2, 3, it's done. So let's see. Jake! You think life owes you something, Jake? So guys, if you're okay with this, right, you can go ahead and click this download button and it will be downloaded. Now, what is going to happen? This is just the only thing you have to pay. You have to pay with watching ads. Just that, watch a short video ad to unlock this feature and continue using the app for free. Do you understand? I think we didn't say the aspect ratio, so let's copy this prompt. Go back. Now we didn't set the aspect ratio. That one is 9:16. So you want to change the aspect ratio is here. Switch it up to there. Okay, and you switch it here. Then go back, paste your prompt. Watch also what is going to happen. Create ad. So once you create a little, you have some seconds of ads to play. Now this is just what is going to happen before you can generate your sometimes when you want to generate your image, you will have like 2 seconds ads that will play. You just be patient, watch the ads and allow the ads to finish. It's just like 3 ads and you are done. You process, cancel it, and then continue downloading it. That is as simple as that. That is just the only price you have to pay here. You don't need to put your card, you don't need to put anything. Just use it this way and create amazing videos. Come back and drop in the comment section that it works. If you've tried this method, let me know in the comment section right away. And if you've not liked the video, please go ahead and like the video so that YouTube can push it to more people to know about this app, because it's a new app. Most people don't know about this, so share it and let others learn how to create, still using Grok for free for that high quality videos and images. So once it's done, you're going to receive a notification that you're, wow. You think life owes you something, Jake? Beautiful, guys. So go ahead. Once you are done with it, go ahead and click this download button. You're going to watch ad for free. Another example video for you to watch to see that this is working. That is 3D style. I want to show you in another style, okay? So I'll go back to my ChatGPT. I already have my sample prompt. Our image. So copy your master prompt for consistency. Always remember, master prompt is for consistency, okay? Then pick your first scene, image generation prompt. Copy your image generation for grids. Take it here. If you want to generate our image so that we can use it for our animation, all right? So I told you, I've showed you how to do it, the first one, without using image. Select image generation and paste your prompt. Change your aspect ratio to 16:9, depending on what you want to achieve. And here I'm okay. Go ahead and here is on PNG. All right. Character must be 1000 characters. Okay, please take note on that. Then go ahead and create it. It will generate automatically. This is how beautiful this AI is. This is so sweet. It looks so real. Can you see? So go ahead and download it. Once you want to download, you want to play. Now we want to animate that image we created. Now we're going to head back to the app again and upload the image just like every other app. But now here is the trick in this app so that you can be able to get that desired result. So you need to copy your animation prompt, your sound, your dialogue, how you want to. So you switch to video animation. Once you switch to video, and remember the first one was image. you switch to video animation. Once you do that, you see Grok AI as the default AI model. We also have, if you open it, you also have other models. Okay, that is VO3, Google VO 3.1 fast, light, and VO 3.1. Okay, so we are good to go. Then switch to 16 by 9 and then change to 720 p resolution. Okay, then click here to bring our upload. Let's upload our image, the image we generated, okay, from the app. Guys, this is beautiful. Like you don't have to generate the image from any other app. Just select the image, that is the image prompt, that is the image reference. Then go ahead and paste your prompt, animation prompt. Okay, yeah, this is it. Let's go ahead and generate it. Remember how to play before you can generate, so let's play it. Once you're okay with it, send it. So the ad has finished playing. Now the download. Okay, so guys, this is so beautiful. All we need to do is just use this method and start creating. Now I'm going to show you something that is so unique about this particular app. So stick around. I think life owes you something, Jay. Maintain consistency. Remember to always use that image. Okay, this is the image. So you can take a screenshot, upload it, and use for the second scene. So edit it. Adjust this so it shows only the boy. Okay, so you can pick it up from there. Adjust it here. Adjust it here. Save it. We are good to go, guys. Guys, we are good to go. So at this point, I will have to bring my reference image from here. Okay, so click here and then upload your reference image. Let me pick the one that I screenshot, that one that we cropped. Okay, the boy stands still. One is done. The video is ready. Now watch the continuation. Watch.
You have failed every test, skipped classes.
Guys,
and
can
now
you
this
see
sucks.
that? Guys, can you see that? Where I picked the video from, the last frame, the last keyframe, and the video is starting from there. What is the exact method you're going to be using all through your videos or scenes to maintain consistency? Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Now watch the full video, and until then, see you in the next one.